A 3 kilo ball is attached to a string and swung around in a horizontal circular path, with a radius of 1.5 meters. And we're asked to calculate the force in the string if the ball is travelling at a velocity of 10 meters per second. So in horizontal circular motion, we have the following forces acting on the ball. And the vertical component of the tensile force opposes the force of weight, and the radial component keeps the ball travelling along a circular path. And applying Newton's second law in the radial direction, and Newton's first law in the vertical direction, and solving for the vertical component of the tensile force. And now you can substitute the known values to obtain these components, and therefore the magnitude of the tensile force is obtained using Pythagoras' theorem. And post your answer in the comments.